morning we are at the Adelaide Botanical Garden and see what's around. It's spring at the moment and so we are forward to seeing what's here. It's a sunny morning, hopefully weather would be okay today. When we travel in different cities, we love visiting botanic gardens always. It's kind of like zoos for plants. Gazebo by Sensational Conservatory Tropical Farmhouse is massive and fabulous. Actually, when we visit the Adelaide Botanical Garden, it always reminds my home country Sri Lanka because here we can see tropical and heat loving plants in the different buildings. So it's quite interesting actually. There is something special at the Botanic Garden. Beautiful walkways, green stretches, fountains and waterways, birds and plants. Interesting actually. You can see all kind of vegetables in here and we would highly recommend to pick up a free map on entering from Hackney Road. If you seek peace, beauty and tranquility, this place is the place to be. Emerson Water Lily House is another example of Lee Garden, creating an environment suitable for plants, otherwise wouldn't survive in the climate of Adelaide. So, this part of the botanical garden is the National Trial Rose Garden of Australia. It's essentially a garden to investigate whether a rose is suitable for growing in Australia. It's early spring, so we can't see much roses, but we would love to come back in late spring or summer. It's almost 30 minutes to close the Adelaide Garden, and we are gonna head off, but really enjoyed the trip to Adelaide Botanic Garden today. So thank you so much for watching this video.